Lazatina is fifth. Vincent Munoz fourth. Joaquin Burrito is third, and Dan Vance second. And our winner today, Ryan Desatel. Guys out here, and Lucas Oil, Team Associate, we're giving you an RC10, Nick. You actually won something. That's for you, buddy. Well, I'm going to hand it over here to Nick Tonelli. He's got a few things to say, and well, thanks to all you folks coming out here, and Nick, too, for the 1450s. Nick Tonelli, everyone.
All right, everyone. I want to say thanks to all the racers that showed up, and hopefully you guys come back next year. But we got $500 here from the BEE-HIVE, $100 for the top 5 guys. So here you go. And then most carnage. Can Dustin Lopnow get up here? Dustin Lopnow, long-time desert racer. All right, Dustin gets $200 from the BEE-HIVE for the rollover of the day. $300 from Fireboards for most carnage. And a gift certificate from F-Word for most carnage also. And a box of slime for Dustin. All right, first, second, and third. Get a set of Rigid Industries Slice. First and second get D2s. Then third gets a set of dualies. Big thanks to Damon and Taylor at Rigid. They all get a gallon of slime also.
Hey, Dick. It's not working, man.
Hey, Eddie, hand him out. Yeah. Gift certificates from the BEE-HIVE from my Aunt Laurie. These were given out to her drivers of choices. So, Craig Reynolds gets $50. Brad gets 25. And Benny gets 25. And then Racer's Choice. Fireworks, first place, $300. Second place, $200, thanks to Jason and his wife. And Mark Polito gets $100. Engage Off-Road Halcyon donated top 30 guys to $50 fabrication gift certificates. Free fab. And then my main sponsor for the score series, Hostility. They wanted to give $100 to first and a gift certificate to get free clothes. And then they wanted one to go to Dustin.
Just go to the junkyard and buy one. And
then they wanted to go to fourth and fifth place. Alright, can I get hang on 1 second. Josh Williams up here? Is he around here? He gets his gallon of slime for racing our race, first time ever racing. So thank you for coming out here. And then Bill at F-Word from Orange County, handing out $75 for first place, $50 for second, really $50 I think for third. One more thing, if you race the BEE-HIVE Classic and you're out here, you're a driver, come up here real fast because I got something for all you guys. Joe Bowman that supports all racers. Dustin, one more thing. Sean Kepler out there? Does anyone know if Sean's here? Sean Kepler here tonight? He gets Racer's Choice, $200 from Fireworks for his collect that broke today. If anyone raced the BEE-HIVE Classic today, first 12 people up here get some flying. I just want to say thank you guys for watching the BEE-HIVE Classic and supporting it. And thanks for almost 30 trucks coming out here this week. Helping me out a lot. Thank you.
Nick Tonelli, everyone. Thank you. Thank you to all you racers, the 1450 guys for BEE-HIVE. I want to thank you all. Make sure any 1450 guys, come on up here. We got some swag for you. But thanks again for myself, Dave Arnold, Lee, Poppy, and KJ, and all the crew. We'll see you hopefully next year on the dirt. A lot of racers I know I'll see out there in November in Vegas. So, till next time, see you on the dirt. Up next, Paxton, Davis, and Baloo. They're going to rock this place out. So stick around. You adults, have a few adult beverages, and hey man, let's have a good time.